Hi, my name is Dominique. I am at Boca Beauty Academy, and I am a part of the paramedical esthetician program. I graduated in 2017 for the full specialist program, and I came back for the paramedical esthetician program so I could get more licenses under my belt. After I graduate, I want to work in a med spa for about a year so I can get more experience under my belt. After the year, I would like to working on opening up my own business for Travel's Nails, Traveling Skin, and Traveling Laser. I would obviously recommend this school because I am a re-enrolled student and I love how everybody is very personable, kind, energetic. We have great teachers. The teachers are very knowledgeable on all of their classes, and you have any questions for them, they will always try to find their best answer for you. And if they don't know, they will get back to you in an instant.